She waited 8 long years for her only son. When he finally came, she sold everything to go with him. But at the airport, he left her forever. What happened next will break your heart and then heal it. Stay till the end. You won't believe the twist. Pause. 2 seconds. My name is Margaret Thompson. I am 62 years old. I live alone in a small cottage in a quiet village in England. My husband passed away 10 years ago. I have only one son. His name is Michael. Many years ago, Michael moved to Australia. Now he has a big house, a good job, a beautiful wife named Emily, and 3 lovely children. He is happy there, but I am here alone. Every morning, I wake up early. I clean the house. I cook for one. In the evening, I sit in silence. Nobody comes to visit. Michael rarely calls. Sometimes he sends money. Sometimes he says, "Mom, I will come soon." But he never comes. Still, I wait. Because he is my son. I love him with all my heart. I keep his old photos beside my bed, and I look at them every single day. Then one day, someone knocked on my door. I opened it, and there he was, Michael, standing in front of me. I couldn't believe my eyes. "Michael, is it really you?" He smiled and said, "Yes, Mom, I'm home." I hugged him so tight. Tears rolled down my face. We sat together. I made tea. I asked about Emily and the grandchildren. He said everyone was fine. Then he looked into my eyes and said, "Mom, I miss you. You're living here all alone. I worry about you every day. I want you to come with me to Australia. You'll have your own room. You'll see the kids every morning. Emily wants you there, too." That night, I couldn't sleep. This cottage is my whole life. I was born here. I got married here. Your father died in this house. How can I leave? But Michael is my only son. The next morning, he said, "Mom, this house is too old. It's not safe for you anymore. Let's sell it. You don't need it. Come live with us, please." He looked so sincere. So I said, "Okay." We sold the house quickly. Michael took care of everything. He took the money. I packed one small bag, and we went to the airport together. I was sad to leave my home, but happy to be with my son. At the airport, Michael said, "Mom, wait here. The terminal is very big. I'll get a wheelchair for you. I'll be back in 5 minutes." I smiled and said, "Okay, dear." I sat down and waited. 10 minutes passed, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour. My heart started beating fast. I looked at every face in the crowd, but none was my son. I told myself, no, Michael would never leave me. He is my son. Then a kind security officer saw me sitting alone. He came close and asked softly, "Ma'am, are you okay? Are you waiting for someone?" I showed him Michael's photo and my ticket. I said, "My son went to get a wheelchair. We are going to Australia together." The officer went to check. When he came back, his face was serious. He sat next to me and said very gently, "I'm so sorry, ma'am. Your son boarded the flight alone. The plane has already taken off. He left without you." My world stopped. I couldn't breathe. No, that's not possible. My son loves me. I cried like a child. The officer's eyes were wet, too. He said, "Some children forget their mothers. I am truly sorry. Then he said, "My name is James. You remind me of my own mother. She passed away a few years ago. Please don't stay here alone. Come to my house. My wife Sophia will welcome you like family." That night, I stayed with James and Sophia. Sophia cooked warm food and held my hand while I cried. They gave me a room. They gave me love. When my own son took everything away, days turned into months. James took me to doctors. Sophia cooked my favorite meals. They became my children. Their home became my home. What I never knew, the flight Michael took crashed over the ocean. There were no survivors. My son was gone forever. James found out, but he never told me, because even after everything, I still loved my son. I still prayed for him every night. Now when James asks, "Do you miss your old cottage?" I just smile and say, "I lost a house, but God gave me a real family." Thank you so much for staying with me until the very end. I know this story touched many hearts and brought tears today. Please tell me right now in the comments, Klabakars, what would you do if this happened to you? Could you ever forgive your child? If this story moved you even a little, please hit the like button, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to my channel right now. My channel name is English Easy Voice. Every week, you'll find new, heart-touching stories just like this one. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching. Always take care of your parents, and I'll see you in the next story. Lots of love from English Easy Voice.